October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, a great reminder for women to get their annual mammogram.
And in fact, it's why I visited a Middle Tennessee medical center which offers women comprehensive leading-edge breast cancer screening and more. Take a look. Maury Regional Medical Center in Columbia offers state-of-the-art mammography, and I am so happy to be with Dana Salters, who is the Administrative Director of the Women's Center. Thank you so much for joining us today on Local on 2.
Thank you, Sylvia.
So educate us about the screening process here.
Sure. Here at Maury Regional, the screening process really isn't different than screening is done at any other organization or facility across the country. But what really does differentiate us is our diagnostic process, because the diagnostic process, once a woman has a sign or symptom of breast cancer or has an abnormal screening mammogram and she comes in for a diagnostic process, we're going to let that woman know her results immediately following that mammogram. So in other words, if the patient needs an ultrasound, additional views, or a needle biopsy, we're going to let that patient know those results right away.
We really pride ourselves taking care of our community. So what sets Maury Regional apart from other facilities? Me personally, I think it's a lot of the collaborative care. Easily the accreditations and the technology we have. We're comparable or better than most centers in Middle Tennessee. For example, we're one of 3 hospitals in the Middle Tennessee region that allows you to do a prone 3D stereotactic biopsy. The first benefit is that you're laying flat and don't really get to see what's going on, which is actually a benefit. And if you feel a little woozy, you're already laying down. The second benefit of the 3D component, which allows the 3-dimensional biopsy of a breast as opposed to the 2-dimensional, and some lesions are only seen on the 3D component, and that allows us to target them. These were lesions, frankly, that were invisible years ago.
So the patient, if she needs to have a biopsy, if she needs to have a surgeon consultation, she's going to leave with a care plan in her hands. And what we found is that reduces the anxiety for that patient.
I had gone to a facility that had been recommended by my provider, and it was not a good fit. So because of all the decisions that have to be made when you get a diagnosis like that, I chose to come to Maury Regional because of the quality of care that is offered here. There are so many decisions that have to be made when you get that diagnosis. You have to consult with a general surgeon, possibly a plastic surgeon, a medical oncologist, a radiation oncologist, all of those things, and coordinating all of that is not easy. They coordinated all of those appointments, and the people here at Maury Regional held my hand through every step. You're not a number, you're not going through an assembly line. People are taking interest in your care. I would recommend the Women's Center here at Maury Regional because the technology is outstanding, the knowledge is outstanding, the people here at Maury are caring and compassionate, and they give excellent care.
Dana, I know that you offer some wonderful services here at Maury Regional to help women who are undergoing breast cancer treatment. Tell us about that.
Yes, Sylvia. In addition to navigation services here at Maury Regional, we have a healthcare foundation that provides financial assistance for wigs, camisoles, gas cards, and other items. Also, in addition to that, the foundation provides financial assistance for mammograms as well.
Dana, if women are ready to schedule their mammogram here, what's the next step?
Sylvia, the next step would be to call the Maury Regional Centralized Scheduling Line at 931-380-4044.
Dana, thank you so much for sharing this life-saving information. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Now, to schedule your mammogram at one of Maury Regional Health's 5 locations, call 931-380-4044. Their Lewis Health Center location in Homewald is also hosting a walk-in mammogram screening, no appointment necessary, on Wednesday, November 1st. So to learn more, just visit MauryRegional.com.